it looks better on the 19th. It depends now on what Shirazi is telling me and yourself, Mr. Greg. Thank you. This matter is then remanded until the 16th day of August for bail information. Accused number 1, 2, and 3 in custody. No bail at this particular stage. Matter remanded 16 August, DC2 8. Thank you. You excuse Mr. Greta? Is that your wrong, Mr. Silva? You excuse, sir. Thank you. We can go off record. Thank you.